You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation. Yes, there is, as far as I know, only one correct pronunciation in English. But yes, it's a little bit confusing. The pronunciation is as individual. Yes, you've heard a bit of a J sound where the D is. Indivi, ju, o. Alright? Individual. It should be individual, but it's not. It's jewel, as written at the bottom of your screen here. Individual. How to pronounce, that's British English as well as American English pronunciations, so at least it's consistent here. Individual, the stress is on the V syllable. Individual. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.